Hi everybody, my name is Martin Mesa with Rate 1 Financial and welcome back to Mortgage Mind. Here we are, Tips and Tricks series. We're at number 9 and it's called Using Assets as Qualifying Income. Okay, so you're out there trying to get approved for as much as you can to buy a house or refinance your home loan. And obviously you want to get the best interest rate. In order to get the best interest rate on the market, you have to be able to prove enough income, verifiable income, in order to qualify for the loan you want. So one cool thing you can do if the regular income you receive from your job or whatever isn't quite enough to qualify for the loan you need, you can actually use assets as qualifying income. And what I mean by that is, let's say you have a good amount of money, and not everybody does, so this doesn't apply to everybody, but let's say you have a good amount of money in like a retirement account, like a 401k, IRA, something like that. Or an investment account, like with Fidelity, for example, mutual funds and all that stuff, and it's just sitting there. It's a bunch of money that you've collected over time, and it not really helping you qualify for a larger loan because you can't use that money as income. But what Fannie Freddie allows is if you set up an income stream with that company, whoever's holding your money, so that you're receiving a fixed amount of money from that account every month coming to you, you can actually use that as additional income to help you qualify for a larger loan amount, a larger home price, for example. Okay? The trick is you've got to have enough money in that account so that that income stream you start receiving from them will continue for at least 3 years. If you can do that, that amount that gets added to your pocket every month, that's coming from really money you already have, is going to help you qualify for a larger loan that otherwise you couldn't get. So it's similar to an annuity, but not quite an annuity. You can do this also with an annuity, but annuities are a different animal. So I'm not going to get into that. But anyway, if you have about a good amount of money in one of these accounts and you're quite a little short on qualifying income for what you want, talk to your loan officer about how this might be able to work and help you. Or if you don't have a loan officer, give us a call and we'll explain to you how it works, okay? So hope that helps. Stay tuned for the next episode of Mortgage Mind. And if you like what we're doing, please like, follow, and share on social media. Have a great day.